Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're taking a look at a premium microwave that goes far beyond basic heating, the Panasonic 2.2 CUFT stainless steel microwave oven with cyclonic wave and inverter technology, model NN-SN97JS. If you're searching for a high-capacity, high-precision, and high-performance microwave for fast, even cooking, this one definitely deserves your attention. Right away, the large 2.2 cubic foot interior stands out. It gives you plenty of room for large plates, casserole dishes, tall mugs, and family-sized meals. Paired with the powerful 1250-watt output, this microwave cooks food quickly and thoroughly, making it ideal for busy homes that need reliable performance every day. The most impressive feature is Panasonic's cyclonic wave technology. Unlike standard microwaves that heat food unevenly, cyclonic wave circulates energy in multiple 3D patterns, ensuring heat reaches every part of your dish. Whether you're reheating leftovers, melting chocolate, cooking vegetables, or warming soup, the results come out consistent and evenly heated. Panasonic's signature inverter technology takes things a step further. Traditional microwaves pulse between full power and zero power, which leads to uneven textures. Inverter technology delivers smooth, continuous power for precise temperature control. This means your food cooks evenly, retains moisture, and avoids overcooked edges, perfect for delicate items like fish, eggs, and sauces. The Genius sensor makes everyday cooking simpler. It automatically measures steam levels and adjusts cooking time and power based on the food type. Just place your dish inside, press the sensor cook button, and the microwave does the rest. No guessing, no timers, no overcooking. Aesthetically, the stainless steel build looks modern and fits well in both countertop and built-in setups. The control panel is intuitive, offering preset cooking modes for popcorn, beverages, vegetables, frozen foods, and more. It's designed for convenience and long-term durability. If you meal prep, have a large household, or simply want one of the most reliable and advanced microwave systems available today, the Panasonic NN-SN97JS is built to deliver efficiency, consistency, and professional-grade results right in your kitchen. Check out the Amazon link below for pricing and full specs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more daily reviews here on Gadgetverse. See you in the next video.